I think that the aerospace and defense world um, is finally sort of getting on board with, if you'll go with me for a moment, with the save the world mantra that so many other industries, like technology, were
Hmm.
able to present. Whether it was real or not, we can have a whole other debate about that. But with the ESG movement, and it's now finally hitting home with aerospace and defense,
Hmm.
you're just genuinely hearing more of our companies in this industry talk about the effect of not only do we do great things with connecting the world or
Hmm.
providing sovereign, defense for countries, but also we're really actually working hard to try to reduce the carbon footprint.
Right.
We're going to put sensors and other things in outer space in a responsible way. By the way, the responsible way is key there, but we're going to put this enabling technology that's going to help us do a whole lot of other things that are really required for decarbonizing the
Right.
world to get to a goal of neutrality by 2050. And it's sort of disappointing on the one hand that it took us so long in this industry to get there, but it looks like it's here. We can finally make the claim to the younger generations that you will not be hurting the world and you will be
Mhm.
helping the world by joining one of these big aerospace
Right.
defense companies or a startup.